Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet mouth for applique. Needle I am using is 3.5 mm. As usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Yeah, this is my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 22 chain crochet stitches. Remember 22 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete this 22 chain crochet stitches and I'll show you. Once our 22 chain crochet stitches are done, now our pattern starts. Now see, we will start with the stitches. Now first stitch after the current loop on the needle. We are going to skip that first stitch, and from second stitch, second and third stitch we will make one single crochet stitches. Okay, then third and fourth stitch we will make one half double crochet stitches. And please make stitches using only one loop of each stitch. Okay, then fourth and fifth stitch we are making one half double crochet stitches, and sixth and seventh stitch we will make one double crochet stitches. See, we will skip first stitch after the current loop on the needle. Then next two stitches we will make one single crochet stitch. Next two stitches we will make one half double crochet stitch, and next two stitches we will make one double crochet stitch. Now after that, stitch 8, 9 and 10 we will make one double crochet stitch, but these stitches we are going to make incomplete double crochet stitches. It's like after every double crochet stitch we will leave last loop on the needle. For every double crochet stitch we won't complete it, we will make it incomplete. We will leave last loop on the needle. So after 3 stitches we get 4 loops on the needle. So we will grab the yarn and pull through from all the 4 loops at once and make a chain crochet stitch or a slip stitch, sorry. Okay, similar way we have to do with stitch number 11, 12, 13 and 14, 15 and 16. So we have to make 3 incomplete double crochet stitches. Then we get 4, and with every double crochet stitch we are leaving 1 loop on the needle. Then we will grab the yarn, pull through from all 4 loops. 3 loops of the 3 double crochet stitches and 1 loop is already there on the needle. Okay, so we combine these 3 double crochet stitches into one. So these we are going to do 3 times, and after that stitch number 17 and 18 we will make one double crochet stitch. 19 and 20 we will make one half double crochet stitch, and 20 and 21 and 22 we will make one single crochet stitch. That's it, our mouth is done. Okay, you can pause and write down these notes, so like it will be easier for you to do it slowly. Here we are done. Now see that smiley face comes, smiley comes. Okay, now we will cut our yarn over here and we will make a black border. To add black yarn, we will insert our needle in any of the stitch, okay, below any of the stitch, and grab the yarn and pull through and make a slip stitch. So our new yarn is added. Now we are just going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop or back loop of each stitch. Okay, we are going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop or back loop of each stitch, and all around we are going to do same. So we get a black border. You must have seen in most of the drawings you get that black border around that mouth. So we are going to do same. So I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you how the final piece looks like. You just need to stitch that on whatever applique you want to use. So this is a final piece of the mouth, and while stitching just make sure in two corners you just stitch a T, so it gets a complete smiley. See this, I have applied it on star applique. Just look how pretty it's looking. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And as you have seen, whole video was with written instructions, slow demonstration, step by step explanation was there. So I hope so you have not find it difficult to understand. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And those who have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.